Hey friends, welcome back to the Broccoli Master YouTube channel, your favorite place to learn code step by step. If you are new here, I am glad you joined. This is module 1 of our brand new Broccoli Master Full Stack Developer course. So far, we already posted our course announcement video and a full introduction of the web development, so you know what we will build and why it matters. And today, officially starting our coding journey with HTML. And trust me, it's going to be a fun. So grab your laptop and let's get started. So now in this video we'll cover what is HTML and how to web actually work, how to install VS Code and the live server extension, a quick look at DevTools and sometimes saving image shortcuts, and finally how to plan and create your very first web page. What is HTML and how the web works? So first, what is HTML? Think of it like bones or skeleton of your web page. It structures your content. And how the web works. Whenever you visit site, your browser make a request to a web server, gets the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file and then displays beautifully. So HTML is your always starting point. So before starting our coding journey with HTML, we need some software. The first one is VS Code. So you have to install VS Code in your system. It is very easy to install. First of all, go to web browser, then download the VS Code. Okay. So I search here VS Code and you just get it the link of the VS Code. Okay, then click here and you see the download button, then click the download button. So let's go in your folder. Okay, means create any folder just like I create here or HTML folder. Okay, then I click here the right click and so more options. Then here you can see open with code, then click here. Okay, so now the first look our VS Code is like that. Okay, so now we need some extension that helps you run our files. So you can see here extension. Just click here and type live server. This extension helps you run your file in your browser. So you can see the many extensions of the name of the live server. You just install which is more downloaded. Okay, you can see is 65.5 M, is 2 M. So we need this one. So install it. And trust publisher and install. It takes some time. It is install your VS Code. It's perfectly done. Now let's go here. You can see the VS Code here. First menu is creating a file. Second, to creating a folder. Third one is refresh, and fourth one is minimize. So first of all, we create first file our. Okay, we can write first.html. Okay, because we're learning HTML, so extension will be always a HTML. Then I zoom it. Here the shortcut key that you hide this sidebar. Okay, that is Ctrl B. So now let's write our first code. Here's the shortcut key that Shift +1 and then you can enter. Then you can see the code of the HTML. I click Alt Z, then it's come in the one page. So now you see the some code. First of all we run it, then we explain it. Then you can change here document with your name, just like I type my name Samir Rand, and inside here you also write some H1 and then enter. Here also you can write your name Samir Rand and then right click here. Then you can see the open with live server somewhere. You can see the open with live server, then click it. Your server starting, close it, and you can see your very first web page are ready with your name. So congratulations, you make your first website. Again go to a VS Code and just know what the code are here. You can see here's given some arrow. When you click, then it minimize it. So first of all, you write this code. It says that the version of our HTML. We currently using the version of HTML is 5. So we are using HTML5. Now inside, this is the part of the HTML code. We can start from the HTML. So before understanding this code, here's the two things we have to know. First of all, tag, and second is the element. So what is tag? You can see here angle bracket and inside the already defined word in HTML like put just like a and wrap it. Okay, then you can see these types of things are the tags, and anyone comes here and write anything, then it's turned into a element. So I hope friends you understand it. So now let's open again. So you can see there is a head. Okay, it is a head tag. because inside the tag there is more tags. Okay, if anyone put the content, that's going to be your element. Okay, so inside the head tag we see more tags just like the meta tag and title tag. You can see the title element also. What the use of the meta tag and what the use of the title. So first of all, meta tag describe the SEO of our web page. Okay, whenever we create our web page, we need a meta tag to define SEO. And what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Whenever we publish our website, it has to your website comes in search rank. Then title. Title is shown the top of your website. You can see the Sameer Zain. This is heading of our web page. Then it's coming to body. Okay, so now whatever we write code, we add image, we add list, we add some videos, we can write inside the body. Okay, any content we add, we write inside the body. So we can write h1 inside the body. Here is so in our body. This is the body of our web page. Okay, so hi friends, you will be understand the basic HTML structure. So now talks about image. What is image? When we are starting our first page web code, so we write something that is called image. I show you again, just remove all the part of code. When I click shift and 1, you can see the suggestion below of this character, that is image abbreviation. Okay, this is called the image. When you click, then you see the code. Okay, the image means the short things you will write and it convert into a long part of code. Okay, I show you something more. When we write h1, okay, and we have to write h1 for 5 times, then we click here h1 multiply 5 and then click, you can see the 5 h1 tags will be created. At the same time, when we need tag inside the tag, then we write something like that, h1 div, okay, then greater than then h1. okay, when the click, you can see the inside the div tag we create h1 tag. These types of things is called the image. Now I show you some dev tools. So you can see the browser. Okay, you just click here, Control Shift I, the shortcut. It is our dev tool, and what it helps you. So first of all, just click here element. You can see the HTML here, and from here you can change the live here for the temporary only. So you can see the my name is Sameer and you can change it. I show you some interesting things. First of all, open Google. Okay, you can see the Google, then Control Shift I, open the dev tool. Okay, you can see the HTML of it, and it is a lot. We also study about what the things are here. First of all, we changes something like that. So click here, you can see the Google here. So now right click here and you can see the edit at HTML. Then you can select Control A and remove it. Then when you click, you can see the Google will be not hidden here. h1 hello Sameer, then enter, and where is the hello Sameer? So now you can see we change the Google's name with our name. Okay, so this is an interesting fact you can do from the dev tool. For all browser it has. Also you can change some designs. So you can see that we can change the color. So we use dev tool for a live testing. When we have to do some testing, we have to solve some problem, then we use dev tool. So let's move. Congrats coder, you just learned what is HTML and how the web works, how to set up VS Code and live server, dev tool basic and image tricks, and builds your first web page. So if you enjoyed this, give us thumbs up, subscribe to Broccoli Master and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next module. Drop a comment if you're stuck. I love helping you out. Keep practice, stay curious, and I will see you in module 2. Happy coding!